Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about life processes, which is chapter 6 of class 10th science book CBSE. So let's move on to the first. The source of energy is the food we eat. Here you can see two pictures. One is a boy who is riding his bicycle very happily, and the other one is very less in energy. In the first picture, it is showing that the boy has consumed enough food to get energy to ride his bicycle. In the second picture, the boy has not consumed enough food to get energy to ride a bicycle. In the conclusion, we got to know that the source of energy is the food we eat. So, what is nutrition? In the previous slide, we have discussed that the food we take gives us nutrition. And there are two main modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic mode of nutrition and the another one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We will discuss about these two types of nutrition in the further slides. Autotrophs are the organisms who can prepare their own food using light and energy from the sun. Carbon and energy requirement of the autotrophic nutrition is fulfilled by photosynthesis, and this type of nutrition is seen in plant, algae, and in some bacteria. So these are plant, these are algae, and these are bacteria which show autotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. In this nutrition, the organism cannot synthesize their food and depend on other organisms to obtain nutrition. For example, animals, fungi, they cannot synthesize their food because they don't have chlorophyll in them. But in green plants, they have chlorophyll, so they synthesize their own food. The heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three types. One is saprophytic nutrition, one is parasitic nutrition, and the other one is Holozoic nutrition. So, in saprophytic nutrition, the organism feed on dead and decaying matter. For example, fungi. And in parasitic nutrition, the organism derive their food from other living organism without killing it. And the organism which derive the food is called parasite and which provide the food is called host. For example, a lice is in the human. The lice is called as parasite and the human is called as host. And in holozoic mode of nutrition, the animal takes solid food and break down it inside the body. For example, amoeba and human. Nutrition in amoeba. So amoeba shows holozoic mode of nutrition in which it takes the solid food material without breaking it down. So here you can see this is amoeba and this is the food particle. When amoeba sees the food particle, it gets closer to the food particle and then it extends its body part to form a pseudopodia. In this picture you can see it is the pseudopodia which is a temporary finger-like projection formed by the amoeba, and it helps to engulf the food. After engulfing the food, it closes the two ends of the pseudopodia and form a food vacuole. So inside the food vacuole, the complex food broken down into simpler food and then it diffused to the cytoplasm.